Understanding the phrase, boxed in. Hello, dear viewers. In today's video, we are going to delve into the world of English idiomatic expressions. Specifically, we'll explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, boxed in. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use it in your everyday conversations. First and foremost, let's look at the words box and in. A box is typically a square or rectangular container. The word in usually denotes being inside something. So, when you think of something being boxed in, you can imagine it being surrounded or trapped within a box, with no easy way out. However, most of the time when English speakers use the phrase boxed in, they're not talking about actual boxes. Instead, they use it figuratively to describe a situation where they feel trapped or limited, with no easy solutions or escape routes available. For instance, if someone says, "I feel boxed in at my job," they mean they feel trapped in their current position, perhaps because of limited opportunities for advancement or because they feel overwhelmed with tasks. To get a better grasp, let's consider a few examples. 1. Traffic scenario. I wanted to change lanes, but I was boxed in by 2 large trucks. 2. Decision making. I wanted to postpone the project, but I felt boxed in by the tight deadlines. 3. Personal relationships. She wanted to spend more time on her hobbies, but felt boxed in by her family's expectations. Each of these examples shows a situation where someone feels trapped or restricted in some way. So there you have it. The phrase, boxed in, isn't about actual boxes but rather about feeling trapped, limited, or without options. English is full of these fascinating idioms that can add color to your language. We hope this video has been enlightening. Remember, the key to mastering any language is practice, so try using boxed in your conversations today.